Hey everyone, thank you for joining me for another Learn R series tutorial. Today we're going to take a deep dive into logical operators. Now we took a look at logical variables in a previous episode. And so in this episode I would like to just take a look at the logical operators themselves. So if we remember from the last episode, or a previous episode, when we first introduced variables, that we passed in the true and false statement. So we'll comment these out. So we have, that's the hash symbol, true or T, and we also use false or F. Now one caveat is they need to be in capital letters, whether you use true or T or false or F, but that is a stipulation within R. They have to be capitalized in order for R to pick up that you are trying to do some logical expressions. So let's talk about the operators. Well, we have the less than symbol. We have the less than equal to. We have the greater than symbol. We have greater than equal to. Now here is one that will trip up a lot of people, because in other programming languages such as Python and some others, the equal to or exactly equal to is just a single equal sign. But in R it is the double equal sign. So just take special note of that when you're doing logical operations. You want to use the double equal sign for exact equal to. We have not equal to. And we also have just not. So what you would do, what would you use just not for? Well, what you would do is you would take that and put that in front of another logical expression, and say something was true. If you put that exclamation mark in front of it, it would turn it to false. So say you had a variable. Let's make a variable a, and 10 is less than 100. Okay, so when we pass in 10 less than 100 to the variable a, we get true. But if we do the exclamation point a, and we run that code, it turns a to false. We also have the OR symbol, and the OR symbol is this in R. We can also have the AND symbol, and we also have one last one, which is true, which is a function that will test to see if a variable is true. So let's test that. First, I'll comment these out. And we'll go back to A. You can see up in the global environment that A is true, and we'll test that. And is true. It is true. Now we can do the same if we put the not in front of it, and it becomes false. So this was just a quick video to take a look at the logical operators available in R. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit that like button. Leave a comment down below of what you may like to see in upcoming videos in this series. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one real soon.